Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. I got this board a while back in a Facebook Marketplace craft bundle I purchased. It actually got shoved to the bottom of a box, and that's the only reason I haven't used it before now. It was a gray stain, and I wanted a white color. So I used my trusty Waverly Wax plaster chalk paint and painted my masterpiece. I am just about out of this paint, so I think it's time to get some more. I was actually having to pull paint out of the bottom of this bottle. After the paint was dry, I used a Dollar Tree emery board to distress the sign. I used it around the edges and in the creases of the board. I then used a Dollar Tree sanding block over the entire piece. I cleaned the wood with rubbing alcohol and a paper towel to remove all the sand dust. I use rubbing alcohol because it evaporates quickly, which means I don't have to wait for it to dry like I would if I used a wet wipe or water. I used my Cricut and sized this free cut file from Design Bundles to fit on the wood piece. I removed the vinyl from the transfer tape and applied it to the sign. I used a Dollar Tree scoring tool to make sure the design actually went down into the lines on the wood by simply rubbing the vinyl down with the scoring tool. Next, I used my iron to set the vinyl. I have had a lot of questions about this. I use Oracle 651 permanent vinyl, and I do this to give my signs more of a hand-painted look. The heat helps the vinyl to melt into all the cracks and crevices of the wood. You just have to be careful not to get the vinyl too hot, or it will melt and stick to the cloth, and in some cases even pull up from your project. I never leave my iron in the same spot, and I don't let the vinyl get too hot. I check the vinyl constantly while I do this. This step is not required, it's just something I like to do when I put vinyl on wood or really anything that has a texture. I flipped the sign over and added some twine to the back so it could be hung up. I thought the sign still needed something, so I decided to try a messy bow. If you have been following any amount of time, you know I can't make a decent bow to save my life. I've been watching videos and doing them on the side so no one can see how bad I really am at them. But I think I have the messy bow down well enough to try it on camera. Once I had the bow created, I attached it to the wood with hot glue. And just look at how adorable this hen house sign turned out. Let me know in the comments what you think of my bow. I'm so proud of how it turned out. It actually looked good. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!